I believe the drives are happening in various departments all over Goa, whether it is the tourism department or Trust the Beaches or other municipalities in other areas. See, what happens is, yesterday only I had given one statement. Aizui parat तेच सांगता. Though the drive has caught me by surprise, I was not in Goa, I was in Karnataka campaigning. Drive जातले म्हणून सांगलेले, but अशे drive जातले ना चिंतोंक ना. But nonetheless, it is an initiative taken so that there are people that are taking undue advantage, and there are people who are not in that on that level. But कितें आता जे कोण चड एडवांटेज घेता तांकां लागून आता सगल्यांक मार बसता. So let us all be fair. We are all doing business. I am also a businessman. My some items also have been confiscated, have been removed. It is our responsibility to ensure that म्हापशान जे आमकां इकॉनॉमी वयर काडटले जाल्यार सगळे आपल्या लिमिटान एकामेकांक हेल्प करूनच काम करचें पडटलें. I believe there is a lot of economical benefit for the city of Mapsa over the next 10 years. बट तेजो एडवांटेज घेतलो आमी जाल्यार आमकां तशें विजन धरून पळोवन फुडें काम करचें पडटलें. लिबरेशना पयलीं आमी धंदो चलयता, थंय परत परत आमचेरूच एक्शन जाता अशें तांकां दिसतालें. So I believe the council in my absence has planned this in a very strategic way to ensure that it is fair to all sections of people doing business. अशें ना की अमक्याकूच टार्गेट केला. There are people with permission also who have exceeded their limits. So तेंचेरूय कशें कितें आसा तें जर तुमकां खबर आसा हे तुमचे प्रिमायसिसा भितर ना मातशें काडून घेयात.
अशी ड्रायव्ह गरजेची आसा म्हापशां.
हितून कळपाक येता न्हू ट्रक भरता म्हणजे गरजेचें आसा न्हू. The trucks are getting full, that is showing. I don't know what kind of question that is. ट्रक भरता म्हणजे अशी हाती भायर गेलेले आसा. एवरी म्हाका दिसता की हांव कावन्सिलर जावचे पयलीं एक ड्रायव्ह असो जाल्लो, खूब तेंप जाल्लो, आनी ड्रायव्ह करया म्हणून एक कावन्सिलराच्या मनानूय आसा. बट कोविडाच्या वेळार लोकांक भरपूर त्रास जाल्लो, निकतेच सगळे जाण भायर सरता, आमी मातशें खंय तरी रिलॅक्स रावले. म्हाका दिसता आतां सगळें नॉर्मल जालां, खूब जाणांचो धंदो बरे भशेन चल्लो आसा. So let us all stay within the limits and do the business. Nobody is being harassed. You are outside. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी एक हांवें व्हिडियो पळयलो ते टाक्यो बीन दवरलेले आसा, ladders and what all items are kept outside on the road. So this is taking advantage of the system, taking advantage of the goodwill of everything that is going around. I don't think there is any harassment done by anybody.